Want to connect Android Auto to your car? In this video, we'll guide you through both USB and Bluetooth connections, so you can enjoy hands-free navigation, calls, and music on the go. Do not miss a single part of the video. Stay with SetNFix. If you search for details about Apple CarPlay, you can find important information on Apple's website. If you scroll down, you will see a list of devices that support Apple CarPlay. According to Apple's website, you need a mobile phone that is at least an iPhone 5 to use the CarPlay feature. First, let's check how to connect using a USB cable. If you have an Android car stereo, there are two types of USB cables. One has 6 pins, and the other has 4 pins. For Apple CarPlay connection, you can use only the 4-pin USB cable. Therefore, we can connect the 4-pin USB cable to the Android car stereo. Now, we can connect the iPhone. This is an iPhone 6 version. Connect the iPhone to the Android car stereo using the USB cable. Once the USB is connected, you will see Apple CarPlay is being loaded. After a few seconds, Apple CarPlay will be in operation. Now, you can access navigation, Google Maps, messages, phone calls, and many other CarPlay applications. While Apple CarPlay is connected, you can still use your normal apps as well. Once the USB cable is removed, Apple CarPlay will be deactivated. There are two ways to connect Apple CarPlay. The next method is via Bluetooth. You can connect the iPhone to the Android car stereo using Bluetooth. In order to connect via Bluetooth, the Bluetooth option on both the Android mobile phone and the car stereo must be enabled. Now, go to the Bluetooth settings and start searching for devices. I tried searching for a long time, but no devices were detected. Then, I connected the car reverse camera cable to the car stereo, as it includes the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna. Now, let's search again. You can see that the device is now detected. Once I click on the link button, the mobile phone receives the pairing code. Then, both the mobile phone and the car stereo are connected via Bluetooth. Since this is the first time, if the device does not automatically connect with CarPlay, go to the CarLink app and click it. Then, Apple CarPlay will be activated just like before. Now, you can use the CarPlay feature without any issues. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Apple CarPlay using both USB and Bluetooth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.